The question I got asked is this: how do I get rid of all the emails in my system from an individual person in the quickest, easiest way possible? Here's how you do it. Go up here and search for Teddy Burris. I'll put quotes around it. Heck, let's put that. Here's all the emails that have the word Teddy Burris in them. I can go over here if I want to. I could say from, put colon, Teddy Burris, and this is all the emails from Teddy Burris in here. And there's some more that are in spam and trash. However, I've searched, hit this select all right here, and then go over here and hit trash right there, delete. Now I can clear this out, go back to the inbox, and you can see there are no emails in here at all from Teddy Burris. How you do it: search for the person's name or their email address, select all, hit delete. By the way, they are in the trash can, so if you want to get them back, all I got to do is go to the trash and get them back. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.